Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salsa using canned tomatoes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large 28-ounce cans of whole peeled tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1 jalapeno for a little kick, along with fresh cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, and salt to taste. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Start by finely dicing your medium onion and mincing the 2 cloves of garlic. For the jalapeno, remove the seeds and membranes if you prefer a milder salsa, then chop it finely. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat, then sauté the onion for about 5 minutes until it's soft. Add the garlic and jalapeno, cooking for just 1 more minute until fragrant. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the 2 28-ounce cans of whole peeled tomatoes into your food processor. Next, add the sautéed onion, garlic, and jalapeno mixture. Don't forget to toss in about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and the juice from 1 lime. Pulse the ingredients 10 to 15 times until you achieve your preferred salsa consistency, whether you like it chunky or smoother. Almost done. Now for the crucial step, seasoning. Taste your salsa and add salt, starting with about 1/2 teaspoon, then adjust to your liking. A small pinch of sugar can also help balance the acidity of the tomatoes beautifully. If you crave more heat, a dash of cayenne pepper or another finely chopped jalapeno works wonders. Chill your freshly made salsa for at least 30 minutes before serving to let the flavors meld.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.